Good evening, welcome back to Smart Investment Long Video. In the heartbeat of India's bustling cities, a quiet retail revolution is underway. Backed by the iconic Tata Group, Trend Limited is not just building a stores, it's creating an empire of style, value and trust. From clothes to kitchenware, from groceries to glamour, this is the Trend story. A story of vision, value and velocity. Let's see about the company overview. Trend Limited, a proud member of Tata family, operates with a 37% stake held by the Tata Sons, in a group known for salt, steel and software. Trend leads the charge of retail sector that touches every Indian home. With operation across apparel, accessories, beauty, toys, grocery and more, Trend is building a portfolio designed for India's rising consumption class. Let's see about the fashion frontline. Number 1 is the Website, the fashion innovator. Launched in 1998, Website is Trend's fashion flagship. With 248 stores in 86 cities, Website delivers curated fashion for men, women and children and even for your home. It is in-house design team ensure exclusive collection that reflect current trend, while its omni-channel approach brings style to your screen. Second is Zudio, affordable fashion for all. Zudio is more than a brand, it's a movement. Built on accessibility, Zudio brings fashion to the masses with pricing that delights. Since its 2016 debut, it has exploded 765 stores across 235 cities, including Dubai, with a retail footprint of 7.9 million square feet. Third is Utsav, the contemporary Indian woman brand. For the bold, creative and modern Indian woman, Utsav is the go-to destination. Launched in 2019, it's current apparel, innerwear, accessories and beauty essential. With 22 stores in 12 cities, Utsav blends elegance and expressions. Fourth is Samo, occasion wear and reimagining. For the moment that matters, Samo brings timeless Indian move fits and modern silhouettes together. From Lucknow to Mumbai, this 2023 launch is a sophisticated fashion of luxury, culture and craft. Samo's new collection is Luxe Leisure, redefines what occasion wear can be. Fifth is Misubu. Misubu, formerly Landmark, now target Gen Z and millionaire customers with curated beauty and fashion accessories. Trend's strategic alliance with Inditex bring India's the best of Zara and Massimo Dutti, serving a premium style with a global edge. And with Lakeland, British kitchen creativity now finds a home in India. Let's see about the grocery and essentials. Star Bazaar, launched in 2014, it's the Trend's answer to India's growing food and essential market. With 78 stores in 10 cities, it's offer everything from fresh vegetables to household staples. The MyStar app creates deeper engagement through personalization. Meanwhile, Booker India supports small retailers through its B2B format, bringing bulk savings and organized retail practice to kiranas across India. Let's see the financial powerhouse. In quarter for financial year 25, Trend reported 4218 crore consolidated revenue, a 28% year-over-year jump. Its PBT rose by 40% with operating EBIT surging by 49%. Revenue has grown at 42% CAGR over 6 years and a market cap has grown by 62% CAGR, a reflection of execution and investor faith. ROE sits at a healthy 30% with a PE of 146, showcasing strong profitability in a competitive landscape. Now let's see the innovation and highlight. Website newest 20,000 square feet store in Mira Bhayandar is a statement of intent, modern and customer first. A collaboration with designer Saksha and Kini brings premium home decor to the retail store, and Samo Luxe Leisure collection proves that the occasion wear can be elegant and effortless. Let's see about the risk and strategy. Yet Trend's journey is not without risk. From macroeconomic shift to rising competition, eligibility will be key. Strategic expansion, operational efficiency and digital engagement will define the next chapter. Few companies understand India like Trend does. With a trusted leadership, powerful plan and plus on Indian consumer, Trend Limited is poised to lead the next wave of retail innovation and it's dressed in Trend. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.